Hey, what's going on, guys? We're here for another video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing my new rival that I just got. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna place this here. Let's get to it. I've never had a rival before. My friends have some, so I know.
And then when they just cover them with sauce. They don't boil them in the sauce. They'll cook them in the sauce.
Just unboxed it. Okay.
This is just the sauce you make.
Do you need the scissors?
Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. You got the mag right here. You got the bullets here, and you got the gun. Okay, let me take out the pieces one by one. Hard tape. It looks easy, but it's actually pretty hard tape. Oh, I just dropped the button. Hold up, guys. So as I'm doing this, like and subscribe and comment if you want me to do more unboxings. Hold up, I just need to go get one that he fell.
I want the blue one.
I'm back. So yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 bullets. This should be enough. Okay. And some cardboard. This stuff is hard to open. And we got the mag. And we put the bullets in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so yeah. Sorry if you didn't see my face there. Okay.
I didn't jump that high. He's a beetle. So my friends, I'm stuck sitting down. And I'm
It's alright. This thing's so loud, guys. I don't know if you can hear it. It's loud.
What was that for?
Figure out. Sorry, these are just instructions. I don't need them. I'm not with this because I'm savage.
What? Yeah. Can you show your big sister with her? Oh yeah.
The rectory takes a little bit of use.
So yeah, I'm
I
going
think
to
I
first
kind
shoot.
of like it. What gets me is when you go to look for recording. That's highlighted.
Sorry,
It
guys.
shows up a big
This
thing.
isn't going. Can't see this part. I'm gonna shoot it. Oh, that was loud. So I think that's enough for this video, guys. Bye.